Okay. This is the wiring harness from my 302 engine. It sits down just like this. This is on the driver's side. This is the main wiring harness that actually bolts in to the other connector that's still in the vehicle. Here's a connector. We'll see where that goes. I don't recall off the top of my head. This is the oil sending unit right here. We'll see where this one goes. Likewise with this one. One of them maybe, well, I'm not certain. We'll have to look. And here are a couple more. The fuel injector rails are all here. There's 1, 2, 3. This goes to the back of the engine sensor. 4. I'm missing one. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 that I cut off. Okay, this is the one I cut off. There's 2 of them. There's this one and this one that are broke. Let me move a little slower. But here's the orientation. Here's the engine with the fuel injector. It plugs in like so, with the indentation cut going up, and with it oriented up, we have red and white, just like that. That's how we're gonna want to set these up. Let's get a good look at this. Fuel injector connector has both sides on it. Another fuel injector. You look here, the reason I originally cut this one is because of this wire. All right, it was either rubbed or eaten into. I don't know which. Okay, that is cylinder number one. Cylinder number one. The one that's broken farther back is number 4. This is a replacement unit right here. One at about here. So okay, you can still hear me. I'm just cutting these down to what size I think it needs to be. Guess I should have just cut it in half. All right, this is my Weller soldering station I've had for 20 years or more. Gonna try and solder this in. Okay. All right, let's take a look. I did repair it. Red is on this side, white is on the other. I taped it together there, heat shrink. This didn't go as well, but its connections are good, and I soldered it well. Just definitely wasn't pretty. Okay, so with that, this is ready to be installed, and we'll do that on the next video.